Hello, today we're gonna label a little bit in my kitchen. So this behind me is our snack cabinet. Now, a couple years ago, I posted the organizing video of me putting these bins in here for the first time, and some people were outraged by what we classified as snacks. Okay, this is not a channel for judgment, so if you wanna judge, just get on out of here. But anyway, these are the labels that we're working with again. I love them so much, and honestly, I have to get more now. Because we're at the very last handful of them that I got the first time. And I figured, it just dawned on me today, they would actually fit in this cabinet. We're also going to put them in the pantry, but I have to get more before we can do that. So I did have some other labels on here originally, and I just don't like them because you can't change them. So I went back to try to make new labels of these, and my label maker broke. And these don't come off very nicely. Like, it's leaving some black marks, and I just not a fan anymore. I did post a restock video today that I'm filming, and I just let everyone know, like, this is a realistic restock. I don't have one of those super aesthetically pleasing homes. Yes, there are parts of my home that I would classify as decently aesthetically pleasing. You know, I like it, I'm proud of it. But whenever I watch those restock videos, they always make me feel bad about my house, and I hate that. Like, yeah, they're super satisfying to watch, but they always make me feel like my house isn't good enough. And if you feel that way too, just remember, they're just videos. There's someone else's house, and you're only seeing what is in that clip. You're not seeing what else is in their house. They probably have a catch-all room where they store a bunch of junk, and they're never going to show you that. So just keep that in mind. All right, first, we're gonna do popcorn. So this first label is popcorn and Slims. Now, it's really just popcorn and M&Ms, but my husband has a little sister who's quite a bit younger than he is, and when we first met, he told me that he calls them popcorn and Slims because when his little sister was a toddler, she would call M&Ms Slims. So it just stuck, and that's just what we call popcorn and M&Ms. Okay, now let's do veggie cups. Some of these labels could be prettier, but I'm not too worried about it right now. Just the fact that I'm getting them on is a win. Okay, fruit cups. Right now, they are primarily peaches with some oranges. Next is yogurt pouches. Okay, there we go. Okay. This is Mio. Some of them are probably expired, and I just don't really have the mental capacity to go in and check them right now, because I feel like if I check those and I see that there are several that are expired and maybe unopened, it's just gonna make me sad, and I don't want to do that today. So we're just gonna go with it, and we're just gonna leave it at Mio because I don't know what else to do. This is going to be our miscellaneous. I have a miscellaneous in like every single area of my house. We have a miscellaneous with the laundry. We have one with the pantry. We have one in our entry closet. We're gonna have one here. I guess this could go here. And we have protein bars. I eat a protein bar every morning for breakfast just to make sure that I get a good amount of protein. I'm not a big breakfast person, so this just helps to kickstart my metabolism, make sure I start my day with protein. I know that's super important for anyone. So I just started doing it, and I really do think that not only has my metabolism boosted, I've lost like 10 to 15 pounds depending on the day. I'm 9 months postpartum right now. Just making sure that I keep myself fed, healthy, getting plenty of protein. You know, as a woman nearing 30, it's that much more important for me to keep my health in check. I think this label is fitting. He wants mommy right now. All right, and last would be Pop-Tarts and granola bars. Yeah, we feed our kids Pop-Tarts. It's okay. So seriously, doesn't this look amazing? Like, I think one of the best parts about this is just the fact that you can change what they say. If you change your mind or you need to put something else in there, you just wipe it off. It's that easy. I have a baby who wants his mama, and it's about time for bed. So this is all I've got for you today. Make sure to like this video, comment for more, any questions or feedback you have, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I just opened up memberships, $2.99 per month. You get early access to any videos that I have. I post Fridays at this time, and you also get priority replies to comments. I do try to reply to as many as I can, but this way you will always be at the top of my list. So that's all I got right now. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!